Good morning, Austin. This is Larry Ronco. I'm the Director of Teacher Education Accreditation. You sent me an email asking for some assistance with TK20 in an assignment that you uploaded something you didn't intend to. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to go and recall that assignment, and then you can replace it with whatever you need to. So here is TK20 in your home screen. You're going to go to Courses, and then you'll go to Coursework, and here is your standard two. It looks like you uploaded it, and so it's now pending assessment. But you can click on this box here and click on this recall button here, and when you click on that, now it'll be open for editing. So then you can go back in here. You can remove, by clicking this negative symbol here, you can remove this diversity statement, and then you can go through the process of selecting and uploading the artifact that you intended to do. So that is all that you will need to do. And then once you're done, make sure that you hit save. And then if you know that you've got the right document there, click on submit, and you should be all set. If you have any other questions, just let me know.